Okay, now we are going to discuss the variation of assignment problem using by multiple optimal solution. So this multiple optimal solution is similar to the Hungarian method. So now let us see how to solve the problem of multiple optimal solution. So see these questions. Solve the following assignment problem where the cost are given below. This is the cost is given. See the solution. Step 1, check for the balance problem or not. First of all, we have to check the given problem is balance or not. How to check? Number of row is equal to number of column. So see that the number of row here is the row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. Here is also column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. So number of row is 5, number of column is 5. So both are equal. It means that the given question is balanced problem. So after step 1, go for the next step to the row reduction. In row reduction, see that here is the row 1, here is the row 2, here is the row 3, here is the row 4, here is the row 5. See that in the first row there is the least value is 59. So 62 minus 59 is right here 3. Next 60 minus 59 is 1, right here is 1. So next 59 minus 59 is equal to 0, so right here is 0. Next 60 minus 59 is 1, right here is 1. Next 61 minus 59 is 2, right here is 2. So similarly all the value we have to take the least value in each row and complete this row reduction. After that, here we are getting that 0, here is also 0, here is also minimum value is 0, here also minimum value is 0, here also minimum value is 0. So after complete row reduction, go for the next step, column reduction. Column reduction, here we are getting the minimum value is 0, means all the value we have to, same value we have to copy in column reduction. So here value is, see that here value is 35206, 35206, here also 10003, here also 10003. All the value we have to write in the column reduction. After complete the column reduction, see that here where we have to check the where is the maximum 0. First we have to check the this one row. Here is the, in this first row there is only 1 0, but here is there is no any 0, so we have cut like this one. So next second, this one is the column, here is also 0 2 3 0, so cut like this one. Now next here is the 1 2 3 0, so cut like this one. Here is also only 1 0, so you cut like this one, or horizontal or vertical, anyway. So after complete row reduction, column reduction, check for the, go for the next step, check for the non degeneracy. Number of cutting line is equal to number of row. So number of cutting line is 1 2 3 and 4. So right here is the 4. Number of cutting line is 4, and the number of row 1 2 3 4 5. So number of row is 5. So both are not equal. Then go for the next step, modify matrix. Modify matrix. In modify matrix, see that the column reduction, undeleted number, here is 5 2 2 1 5 3 3 2. This is the uncut number. So in uncut number is minimum least value is 1, and this row is already deleted 3. Here you are getting 3 already deleted, so same value we have to write here 3. Here is the uncut number 5, so minimum least value is 1, so 5 minus 1 is 4, right here is 4. Next 2 uncut number, so least value is 1, 2 minus 1, right here is 1. So this row is already deleted, so here is 0, right here is 0. Here also this row is deleted, so here is value is 6, so right here 6. Now go for the next column. Here we are getting the intersect point or plus, so here is 1, so least value is 1, so here we are getting plus, so 1 plus 1 is 2, right here is 2. Next this is the already is deleted, this one 0, right here 0, this one also deleted, right here 0. Here also we are getting the intersect point plus, so 0 plus 1 is 1, right here is 1, right here is 1. And next here is also we are getting the intersect point or plus point, so 3 plus 1 is 4, right here is the 4, right. Then go for the next column. So here also 0 is deleted, right here is 0. here is uncut number 7, 7 minus 1 is 6, right here is 6. Next 1 minus 1 is 0, right here is 0. So here is also 2 deleted number, so this is 2, and here is the 1, right here is the 1. Next go for the next column, 1 is deleted, right here is 1, and here is the 5 uncut number, 5 minus 1 is 4, here also 3 minus 1 is 2, here is 3 already deleted, so same value we have to write here 3, so here is 0, right here 0. Go for the next column, here is the 2 already deleted, so 2, here is 3 minus 1 is 2, here is 0, so right here 0, here is 4, right also 4. After complete this modify matrix 1, go for the next step, check for the non-degeneracy. Number of cutting line is equal to number of row. See that here, similarly, where is the maximum 0? First here the maximum 0 in this column 1, 2, so cut like this one. Here is also 1, 2, so cut like this one. Here the maximum 0. See that here there is no 0, there is no 0. Here is only 1 0 or 2 0, so cut like this one. Maximum 0 is 2. Here is only 1 0, so you cut like horizontal or vertical anyway. So you cut like this one. So number of cutting line 1, 2, 3 and 4. So number of cutting line is 4 and number of row is 5. So both are not equal. Then go for the next step. Next step, also modify the matrix 2. Modify matrix 2. Same modify matrix is there. Similarly, modify matrix 1. Here is the uncut number 3, 4, 1. Here is also 1, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. So in this uncut number, least value is 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2, right here is 2. Next 4 minus 1 is 3, right here is 3. So here 1 minus, here is the 1 minus 1 is 0, right here is 0. Next this 6 is, or this 0 is already deleted, so same value we have to write here. Then 6 is already deleted, so write same value is 6. Now second, here is 2, here is 2 already deleted, 2 0 0 is already deleted, so 2 0 0. Here we are getting the intersect point 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, right here is 2. Next here is also intersect point, so 4, here is also intersect point, plus point, so 4 and plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, right here is 5. Next go for the next, here is also deleted numbers 0 6 0, right, so right here the 0 6 0. Here we are getting that here is intersect point or plus point, so 2 plus 1 is 3, right here is 3, right here is the 3. And next here we are getting that 0, so sorry, where is getting the point 2 or 3, here we are getting 1, so 1, here is also intersect point 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, right here is 2. Now go for the next column, so here is the 1 uncut number, 1 minus 1 is 0, right here is 0. Next 4 minus 1 is 3, right here is 3. Next here is 2 minus, here is 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1, right here the 1. Here is the 0, so right here the 0. Go for the next column, here is the 2 2 1 is already uncut number, so 2 minus 1 is 1, right here is 1. Next 2 minus 1, also 2 minus 1 is right 1 here, and here 1 minus 1 is 0, right here is 0. Next here is the 4, so right here is 4. After complete modify matrix 2, see that here where is the maximum 0, so in this column there is 2 0, so cut like this one, right. So here after that here is also, see that this one 1 0 2 0, so cut like this one, right. Now next here is 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0, so cut like this one. Here is also 1 0 2 0, so cut like this one, and here is only 1 0, so you cut like horizontal or vertically anyone. So here, then after cut this one, check for the non-degeneracy. Number of cutting line is equal to number of rows. So number of cutting line is 1 2 3 4 and 5. So number of cutting line is equal to 5 and number of row is equal to also 5. So here is both are equal. So now here we have to check first column. First column there is, here is 0, So you take this 0 and this column, this 0 should be cancelled, and this column is also 0, we are getting this cancelled. So go for the next second row. Here we are getting 0, you take this 0 and there is no 0 in this row, there is no 0 in this column, we are getting here 0, so this 0 you should be cancelled. Go for the next row, means third row. Here is we are getting this one 0, so we are getting this 0 is also cancelled, so this one 0 also cancelled. So here you are getting 1 0, this 1 0 should be cancelled, in this column also cancel. So now next column means fourth column, we are getting here 0, you take this one 0, so there is no 0, there is no 0. So now fifth column, this is the fifth column, we are getting this one 0. See that here. So now the P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 already we have to write in the given questions. Here is P1, see that here P1, we are getting this 0, means P1 J3, we take this J3. P2 we are getting J2, so we are right here J2. Here P3 we are getting J1, so right here J1. So P4 we are getting J5, so right here J5, and P5 we are getting that J4, right, J4. So see that here we have to write here the questions here. So J3, P1 J3, see that P1 J3 is this 59, this right here 59. P2, this P2 J2, this one J2 55, right here 55. So see that P3 J1 is 61, right here 61. P4 J5 is 60, so right here is 60. P5 J4, this one J4 58, right here is 58. After adding this one, 59 plus 55 plus 61 plus 60 plus 58, we are getting 293. This is your answer. Thank you very much.